Didik TV KPM.
Did you know natural rubber is made from a runny, milky liquid called latex, which comes from some plants? Most of the world's natural rubber are from the rubber tree.
Hello and welcome back to Rekkha at Didik TV KPM. Still with me, Kak Pika, and today we're learning DLP Science, specifically on materials. So there's a lot of materials around us in this world. We see them every day, but sometimes we're not too sure what they do, their properties. So today we bring our two special guests to explore together with us about these materials. Miss Rekkha and Miss Devi.
Yes.
Just now we were talking about doing some experiments.
Yes.
Are we quite ready for that, or we want to do a bit of objectives first?
Yeah, let us go to the objectives for today's lesson.
Sure.
Okay, our learning objectives for today is 8.2.1, describe the properties of material by carrying out activities. And then the second one, 8.2.2, create an object by applying the knowledge of properties of materials. And 8.2.3, provide reasoning on the types of material chosen in creating the objects. 8.2.4, explain the observation on the properties of material through written or verbal forms, sketches or ICT, information communication technology, in a creative way.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. That means at the end, perhaps towards the end, the pupils can already explain the type of materials and why they are being chosen for certain
They will
things.
learn what are the properties of material.
Properties.
Yes.
Okay, Miss Devi, got it.
Okay, thank you.
All right, and then what are we going to do next, Miss Rekkha, perhaps?
Okay, Shafika, so without any further delay,
Okay.
I think we'll go to the first activity, is to determine the properties of materials that absorbs water.
Wow, okay.
Yes.
Are there a lot of materials that absorb water?
Yes.
There are, okay.
Okay, so Shafika, you have cotton cloth
Cotton cloth,
and also plastic.
plastic,
I have a tissue paper and a polystyrene.
polystyrene,
Teacher Devi will have a balloon and also cotton.
cotton, okay.
So the pupils online will also be doing the activity together
they
with
have
us.
their own set as
Yes.
well. Okay, great. So we're doing this together, all right, pupils? Okay? All right. So how do we start, Miss Devi?
Okay, let's start.
Miss Rekkha.
Okay, we'll follow the steps. Okay, first is you have to take the straw and place a few drops of water on top of the objects,
Okay.
both objects that you have.
Just a few drops.
Yeah, just a few drops.
The pupils
Okay.
at home also can carry
Yeah,
out.
the pupils at home, you can do the
Yes.
same.
I'm sure this is fun to do early in the morning.
Yes.
Okay. I'm already seeing something here.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me put
Okay,
some
so
more.
I hope that pupils at home also have done it because it's a very simple activity here.
Okay.
Okay, so as we can see, okay, you can see here the difference between both of materials. Okay, same as this.
Okay.
And also the one here. Okay, so to get the observation, can we have any of the students there to tell us what is the observation that you have obtained?
Yes, who would like to volunteer first? Raise out your hand. What can you see from your experiment? Okay.
Okay.
Is that Rogita?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, can you tell us what have you observed from the activity that you have carried out?
The water droplets absent.
Okay, what material are you using?
A cotton.
A cotton. Okay, good. So you can't see the water droplets, is it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Any other observation?
Okay, can we have the next pupil? Zakwan.
Yes.
Can we have Zakwan?
I can still see the water droplets on the plastic surface.
Oh, he can't see the water droplets. You can see.
You can or you can't?
You can or
You
can't?
can see.
Can't see water droplets
I
on
can
plastic.
see.
Can see.
Yes. Of course, you can see the water droplets on the plastic surface, right?
Yes.
Okay, Zakwan, can you tell us why you can see the water droplets on the plastic surface?
Because the plastic surface can absorb the water.
Cannot absorb water. Okay, very good.
Very good. I think we are. I'm observing the same thing here with my plastic.
Okay, so you can't see the water droplets on the cloth.
I cannot.
Yes, but you can see water droplets on the plastic. Yes.
So it's true what you said just now.
Yes.
The cloth can absorb water.
Yes, that is why you were able to wipe the water that you spilled just now.
Okay, no wonder.
Maybe the
Okay.
people can show the camera what they've done.
Yes, of course.
Yes, nice. Okay. Everyone with the different objects with that.
Oh, what is that? Ariana has something.
It's a balloon.
It's a balloon.
It's a
This is the one we have here.
There it is. Okay.
So
That's great.
maybe we can ask someone else. Maybe we can ask Mifzal. Mifzal, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. What's your observation, Mifzal, when you drop water droplets on the cotton cloth?
I can't see any water in the surface.
Okay, you can't see the water droplets on the surface. Okay, why is that so, Mifzal?
Because cotton towel can absorb water.
Wow, very good,
Very
Mifzal.
good.
Well
Very good
done. Okay, you got it.
observation.
All right. Anyway, let us have a look this. Okay, maybe Teacher Rekkha.
Okay, so these are the observation table. Okay, so we have tested on balloon, tissue paper, cotton cloth, plastic, polystyrene and cotton. So we can see here the water droplets present in balloon, plastic and polystyrene because these objects are made from water absorbent materials, whereas the water droplets are absent on tissue paper, cotton cloth and cotton because they are made from non-water absorbent materials.
So, teacher, sorry. That means if we have something that we want the water to not escape from, like a beaker or something,
Yes.
so we cover it with a plastic cover so it doesn't escape.
Yes,
Right.
exactly.
Excuse me.
It's okay.
All right, understandable. Okay. Next, teachers.
Okay, we are going to learn today. Our second activity will be we are going to learn how the material, the object sink or float. Or we can say whether it's above the water surface or below the water surface.
Okay.
Shall we start now?
Yes, let's
Okay,
start.
right. So this is the one we are going to use. Okay.
That looks like an aquarium, teachers.
Yeah. Yes, it is. It is.
Okay.
Okay, we have another
Shafika,
one
you
there.
can take the other one there.
Okay.
Okay, maybe yeah.
All right.
So, all right. Okay, maybe we can have
carry out the rest.
Shafika one. You can take that.
Okay.
Pass
I'll
to.
take
Oh,
Okay.
Okay, this is mine.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's yours.
so the people at home also you can try. You can start with your second activity. There we have to take all the stuff that are already prepared, all the objects, and drop one by one into the water.
Okay.
Okay, maybe Shafika can try.
I can start first.
Yes,
Yes,
I'll start
okay.
now. And
So-
Teacher Rekkha also can try.
Okay, we have a few things in here, a balloon, a stone, and a pencil. Okay. So I'll try dropping the pencil first. Wow. Okay, Miss Rekkha, balloon.
We have
And
the
then-
same sets of
We
materials.
do.
Yes.
All right, so let's just drop them.
Okay, we'll just drop.
Okay. And balloon. So at the same time, pupils online and as well at home, you can observe what's happening actually. I'm dropping a beaker as well. This looks like a beaker. Okay. And then a key.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, I'm done too.
Okay, how about the people at home?
Are you guys done as well?
I think Shafika, maybe you can turn the cup.
Beaker.
It's a cup. It's a glass cup.
It's a cup.
yes. Yes. Because the water, there's an air inside. Right? So
Yes.
it's floating just
so
now.
it floats, yeah. Okay.
Okay. The kids at home, all right?
I think they're done
Yeah,
as
you
well.
can adjust your camera now. Yeah, we
Can
can
you
see
show
here
it?
behind her also. We can see. All right.
There you go.
Okay, we can say everyone done. Okay, shall we check what are the objects above the water surface, Shafika?
All right.
Okay, let us see whether it's same with what you have here with our pupils outside there.
Okay, let's see that.
Let us check with our pupils there. Okay, who want to tell me what are the observation we can find for this activity?
Okay,
Yes, anyone?
that is Cassandra.
Yeah,
Cass.
Cassandra. Cass.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. What
I
is
can
your-
see that the plastic ruler, pencil, and balloon are above the water surface.
They say plastic ruler,
Plastic
the
ruler.
pencil, and the balloon above the water surface.
Yes.
Okay.
My
Okay,
plastic
later we come back.
ruler is
Okay. What, Cassandra? Can you tell us what's the reason? What's the inference? Why they are above the water surface?
Yes, teacher. It's because they are less dense than the water.
Okay, they say they are less dense than the
Than the
water.
water, okay.
Anyone with the other answer? Maybe we can ask. Who's that? Rogita.
Rogita?
Rogita.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, can you tell us what are the observation when you put in all the objects inside the water?
The cotton ball and a key are below the water surface.
Oh, okay. You mean cotton
She
ball?
don't have a cotton ball.
Do you have a cotton ball?
She using cotton ball.
she
Okay, so the
is.
cotton ball. Okay, that means why? Why, Rogita? They all below the water surface.
Because they are more dense than the water.
More dense than the water.
There you go. So
Yes.
from what Cass and Rogita shared with us, if it's less dense, then it will float than water, and then if it's denser than the water, it will sink.
Yes.
Exactly.
And we can also give
Okay.
another reason. The objects that is above the water level,
Okay.
it has the ability to float. And the one is below the water surface, it has the ability to sink.
To sink.
But Shafika, do you notice something?
I do. I was trying to ask this question, but Miss Devi was like, will answer that
I
in a while.
tell you.
You can see that my plastic ruler
Yes.
is above the water surface.
Even the people at home also, their rulers above the water surface.
Yes.
Why yours below the water surface?
I think my ruler doesn't like me. That's why it's sinking. Perhaps we can ask the pupils if they know.
Let me
Okay.
explain.
Okay, Miss Devi.
Actually, it's more heavier than the other one.
Oh, it is.
Yes.
So that means it's denser than the water.
Yes, yes.
the reason.
If you compare, when you take this ruler and that ruler, you can compare, that's more heavier. The fiber is more there. And then compare to this.
Right.
That's
so,
why it sink.
Miss Devi, that means we can have two of the same thing, like a ruler or a pencil. But if it's more dense than the water, it will sink anyway.
Yes.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah. That's why we want to see whether what you will see. after
Yes.
this. I was thinking, okay, Shafika, you are doing with the ruler. I will see that.
Yes, I can see that. So that means all the things that can float is also good for if we use to float on water at sea, right?
Yes.
Okay, all right, Miss Devi.
Okay, we have here. So properties of material that can float or sink, we can have a look. Okay, there are objects that they have tested just now: pencil, rock, key, balloon, plastic ruler, and glass cup.
Okay.
And we can see above the water surface, pencil and balloon and plastic ruler. And below the water surface, there are rocks, key, and glass cup. So this we call, when they are above the water surface, we call it as a ability to float. When below the water surface, we call it as a ability to sink. Okay, so these are the material that can float on water and the material that sink in the water. That's what we have learned just now. This is the second activity.
Miss Devi, thank you for that. I hope the pupils at home are also taking notes, all right? Today is a very fun lesson and we have more experiments to come.
Yes.
And with together our pupils online, we're going to do those things. But as usual, we're going to go for a short break and we'll be right back on Teroka Didik TV KPM.
KPM.
Did you know electrical cables are usually made of copper because it is a good electrical conductor? Other material used for conductors are silver and aluminium.
Hello and welcome back to Teroka Didik TV KPM. Kids, can you see me? How about now? Okay, wait. Can you see me now?
Yes, I can see you clearly.
That's very good. Okay, right now we're learning more on science materials. But before that, let's have Miss Rekkha explain to us what we're going to explore now.
Okay, Shafika, thank you. Okay, our next activity will be related to the objects that you're holding just now.
Okay.
Okay, so Shafika, I'll be needing your help here. Okay, can you please hold the plastic board?
The plastic board, this one.
Yes, can you cover your face with the plastic board?
Okay.
Just for a while.
Okay.
Okay, can I ask any one of you there? Zakwan? Zakwan?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, can you see Kak Shafika's face now?
Can you see me?
I can see.
Can't see. Oh dear, he can't see you.
Okay.
Okay, what about Ariana?
Yes, teacher. I can't see her face.
Oh, no one can
That's
see
too
your
bad.
face.
Okay.
Okay, Ariana, can you tell us why you can't see Kak Shafika's face?
Because the object doesn't allow light to pass through.
Yes, very good. Okay.
Interesting answer. Okay.
Yes. So the plastic board is actually an opaque object which
Opaque.
doesn't allow any light to pass through.
So that means when light cannot pass through, you cannot see the object behind it?
No,
Okay, all
the
right.
light is blocked by the opaque object.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Thanks for that, Ariana.
Okay, next we have the colored plastic sheet. Okay, what about, can I ask Miftal?
Miftal.
Miftal,
Yes,
can you see Kak Shafika's face now?
I can see but not clearly.
Oh,
Yes, he can see but it's not clear.
Okay, no worries. Why
Okay.
is that?
Yes,
Perhaps
why is that?
another, yeah. Perhaps another Mirza would like to answer?
Miftal,
Yes,
would you like to answer why it is not clear?
because it is translucent object.
Yes, okay, he has got it
translucent.
right. Okay, it is a translucent object.
Okay, what does that mean, teacher?
That means that it only allows some light to pass through.
Oh, some light.
Yes.
Not all, but
Not-
some.
Yes, not all, but some light to
Okay.
pass through.
Right, okay.
Okay.
So, this last one, how about this one?
Okay, now you cover with this clear
Okay.
plastic.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Can anyone tell what can you observe?
Can you see me?
Yes, Rogita.
I can see Kak Shafika clearly.
Yes, finally they
This
can
is my
see.
favorite. Okay, why
Okay,
is
this-
that?
Why, Rogita?
Why can you
It is
see me?
because it is transparent object.
Yes, very good, because it's a transparent object, which means that it allows all the light to pass through.
Pass through. Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
Okay, we have a small activity here for the pupils. Okay, can you grab any object which is opaque? Any opaque object. Okay, hurry up and please show to us. Okay, yes.
There's a few different materials there.
Yes. So you can see that the object have covered their face, right? We can't see them.
Yes.
Okay, because this is a material that doesn't allow any light to pass through it.
Okay.
Okay, we have a cardboard, we have pencil case, we have a
Is
paper,
that
I think.
paper? Yes.
Yes, okay. And
Pencil case. They
pencil
mean
case, yes,
both of-
pencil case as well.
Okay,
next. Transparent object. Can you show us examples of transparent object?
Yeah. Transparent. Size that
Transparent.
transparent.
Ah,
transparent.
now I can see your faces.
Okay, Shafiqah, can you tell us if any of the pupils have got it wrong?
Let me see. I think someone's
Behind you so we can
holding
see
a
the-
cup.
Yeah.
Someone's holding a cup that I cannot see his cute
Yes.
face. Who is that?
Who's that? Sai. Okay. And we can see all the other faces very clearly, right? Okay, because it allows all the light to pass through.
Good
we
job,
have a plastic
pupils.
sheet. We have a glass jar.
Glass jar, and that's a ruler.
Yes. Okay, so next we'll go to translucent object.
Translucent. Okay. Get your materials out.
So as earlier, they can't see your face clearly, right? Because it
couldn't.
was not clear. Same. We have the same situation here. We can't see their face clearly as well.
Okay, so that means only some light is passing through.
Yes. So we have learned that we have 3 different properties of this kind of materials. That one is allows light to pass through.
Okay.
The second one is allow some light to pass through.
Okay.
And the third one doesn't allow any light to pass through.
Okay, so we
Yes.
have the pupils holding up a, I think that's a transparent paper. Translucent paper.
Translucent. Exactly.
Okay, and Sai is having it correctly now using a translucent cup.
Yes.
Okay, good job, pupils.
Okay, good job.
Okay. Now, what are we going to do?
Okay, the next activity I'll hand over.
We have a
Oh, okay,
simple.
yes, I forgot. Thank you, Teacher Devi, for reminding me.
Are those snacks?
Shafiqah.
I'm seeing snacks.
Okay, we have 3 different objects from different materials. Okay, we have a quick game here. You need to guess what is inside each container. Yes, from there.
From here?
Yes.
Okay, that one is like jelly.
Okay,
the first thing that I saw.
Yes.
And that one is like a snack or crisp or something. I think it's milk. Something like that. I'm not too sure.
Okay, you can read, but you can see the color, but
can
it's
see
not
the colour.
clear, right?
It's
The wording
so
is not so clear.
If I were to guess, but I'm not sure. But with
Okay, so-
A, I'm very sure it's jelly.
Yes, okay, that's right. That's very good. It's a jelly.
Okay.
Then the third one?
See, let me use my psychic. Oh no, I cannot guess. I can't see at all. I cannot see. What is that,
Okay,
teacher?
none of us can guess actually, okay?
All
But
right.
if you get this right, for the reason why you can't see the object, I'll give you all this as a treat.
Oh no.
The reason.
The reason. Okay.
Yes.
Just now, one of the pupils also explained to me, and
Yes.
you as well.
Yes.
The reason why I can't see that object is because it doesn't allow any light to pass through.
Yes, well done.
I'm so lucky. Now can I get my snack?
Yes, of course you get all this later.
So what is that actually?
So it's a chocolate.
Yeah, I get a chocolate in the morning.
Yeah, so you'll be getting all this. And this is nuggets.
Nuggets.
And yes, you have guessed it right.
Correct.
It's a jelly.
Ah, okay. So the reason I couldn't guess.
Congrats.
Thank you. I'm so happy right now.
Congratulations.
What a way to fill my empty tummy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, for the
So,
next activity, I think I'll
shall we
hand
go to
over
the next activity?
Okay, sure.
All right. So I think people at home, you can try out. We are going to try. We are going to next activity.
Okay.
It's about we have to test the objects.
Okay.
Okay, whether they can light up the bulb or couldn't light up the bulb.
Wow, our experiments are getting more fun and funner today.
Yes. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe Shafiqah can try this.
sure.
Yeah.
Do I connect the
I think
wires?
I will hold for you.
Oh, okay.
Maybe just okay. Those are at home. Those are at home. You can try out the object that you have now. Okay. Maybe you can adjust your camera
Okay. To
Can you?
show it to the camera?
Yeah.
Ah, can we see
so that
that?
we can see what they are going to carry out.
What are these called? Is it a circuit board?
Yeah, it's a circuit board.
Okay,
So they're
great.
going to test all the object they have, whether the objects can light up the bulb or not.
Okay.
We said it's a conductor or insulator.
Oh, okay, interesting.
Yeah.
All right.
So maybe Shafiqah, what you have to do is you have, let me hold this.
Okay.
You have to take both
This
hands
one?
and the other one.
Okay.
You touch the coin. We
Touch
test with the coin
together.
first. Yeah.
Okay, so I touch the coin. I'm
One,
a bit
one
scared.
only, one,
Just
one.
one, together. Is it lighting up? Oh,
Yes.
it is. Can
Maybe
you see
you press.
that?
Press.
Press.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lighting up.
There
yeah.
you go.
Yes.
So the coins is actually what, Miss Devi?
Yeah, later we will go to that.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, hold on to
maybe
that.
we can go next and next.
Next, we have this key. It's also lighting up as well. Okay,
Yes.
interesting.
Those at home also can carry out.
Yes, you can follow Kak Syafiqah ya.
Yeah.
Pencil lead
Pencil lead, you have to put one
at
side
the
here.
end. Okay, I'll
the
put one
end.
side
You
here.
press harder.
Press harder. Okay, there you go.
Yes.
Oh,
Should be like that. Okay.
it should light up.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not lighting up actually.
Let me try.
Okay,
Let me try.
maybe
Yeah.
I'll hold for you.
Yeah. Yeah. There. Can you see?
There you go.
It will light up. So you have to press harder that thing. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
Alright.
So next, we can try.
Teacher Rekkha.
Yes, I would like to try as well.
Yeah.
Thank
sure.
you.
You can try, Teacher Rekkha. You can
Yes.
put down.
While Miss Rekkha and Miss Devi is setting up, can we see one of the pupils? Can you see your results? Perhaps Ariana? Can
Yeah.
you show to the camera, please? There you go. Okay. What are you trying to light up with? What is that, Ariana?
I'm gonna try a coin.
A coin. Okay.
There.
Look.
Yes.
Yay!
Wow, your bulb is so bright.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, can we have another pupil? Perhaps Cassandra, can we have Cass?
Yes,
Your bulb looks very bright. What are you using right now?
I'm using a key.
You're using a key. That's great.
good.
Okay, thank you, Cass. But I think Zakwan, is that light up? Or,
Yeah,
your light,
Zakwan.
is it lit up?
The bulb light up.
Okay. What are you
was he
using
doing?
there?
I'm using a pencil.
Pencil.
So the
Pencil
lead.
lead. Pencil lead.
Okay. Thank you, pupils. All right, Miss Rekkha.
So, Miss Rekkha done? With
Yeah,
your
yeah. I have tested with this, but it's not lighting up like Syafiqah.
So the
Yes.
balloon
Tested
doesn't
with the
work.
balloon.
The
doesn't work.
balloon,
Oh no.
the light is not
So
like
she
bulb is
disappointed
not lighting
about
up.
that.
Yes.
Okay. So let us check with our kids there. Okay. Maybe I can go to one of the student peoples there. Can you tell me what are the objects then can light up the bulb?
Okay.
Anyone?
Who would like to answer? You can turn on your mic.
Hi, teacher.
Okay.
Who's that?
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Rogita.
Rogita. Yes, Rogita.
Yes, teacher.
Mm.
The objects that can make bulb lights up are pencil lead, coins,
Okay.
and key.
Wow,
Yes.
very good.
Very good.
Okay.
Okay.
Rogita, maybe you can explain to us why those objects can light up the bulb.
Because they are electric conductors.
Yes, very
good.
good. Because they are electric
Electric
conductors.
conductors.
That means electric can flow through that objects.
Oh, that
Then
means
they can. That's
if,
dangerous. That's why object like a pencil lead. So very careful with the maybe they sometimes they will go and point it at the switch, right? They will go and play inside there.
Yes.
It's very dangerous.
Oh, you shouldn't do that, right?
Shouldn't. That's right. You have
Okay,
to tell
listen
those
to that,
kids
Miss Devi.
outside there,
Don't
yeah.
use your pencils to.
Sometimes they will try to poke
Yes,
inside
they
the
would just to put in the into
Put in
the
the
socket.
socket,
Yes. Okay, don't do that. Okay. All right.
Okay, so maybe we go to the another people there who can explain to us why the objects are not lighting up the bulb.
Okay.
Okay, who want to come out with your answer? Yes,
me,
I can
teacher.
see Cass. Yes, Cass.
Yes.
Yes, teacher. It is because the objects are electric insulators.
Okay, Cassandra, very good. Can you tell us what are the objects electric insulator just now?
Yes, teacher. They are leather strings, balloons, and skewers.
Very good.
No wonder Miss Rekkha was so disappointed just now.
Yes, just now. So now we know already why.
Yes.
Okay, I want the kids are there. They are already with their I think map. This we
Okay.
call as a tree map. I think they can come out with the tree map now.
Alright.
Everyone get ready. So what you have to do is, okay, we have to write down all the objects that can conduct electricity and cannot conduct electricity.
Right. So with the objects we tested just
Yes,
now.
we tested just now. All right. Ready, everyone? Okay, come on.
Let's go.
Let's go. Hurry up.
Wow, everyone is racing.
Oh, you did.
They're done.
They're done. Oh my goodness. Kids nowadays are so fast.
So fast. Okay.
Okay.
Done as
We
well.
are done. Okay,
All right.
maybe we can show. And then kids, please show us your answers.
On your camera, please.
Yeah, let us check whether they have the correct answer or not. Yeah, can conduct electricity, pencil lead, key, coin. Well done, everyone.
Wow.
Yes, everyone got the correct answer. Very good. Let us check the Shafika's one.
right?
Yeah, very good,
very
Shafika.
good.
Yes. So these are the things that they have learned, but can conduct electricity, cannot conduct electricity.
Ah,
Yes.
so for those that cannot conduct electricity, we call them insulators.
Insulator, exactly.
Okay, all right. What a lovely experiment we're exploring today, and I'm sure we have more after this. But kids, let's take a short break because I want to get my snack, the treat that I just got just now. So let's go for a short break, and we'll be right back on Teroka Didik TV KPM.
Didik TV KPM.
Did you know? When a material is stretched, it produces elastic energy. However, overstretching and twisting may cause the material to break.
Greetings to everyone. I am Roshni from SK Seri Permai Pulau Pinang, going to carry out an activity to identify materials that can conduct heat. These are the test objects that I'm going to use now. Ceramic spoon, plastic ruler, leather string, balloon, popsicle sticks, aluminium foil. Let's attach these test objects to a skewer. Now it's ready to test. Then touch the top of each test object and determine its initial condition. Fill the container with hot water. Then soak the test object carefully for 2 minutes. Start the stopwatch now. After 2 minutes, touch the end of each test object. Now, let's see what do I observe. The aluminium foil feels warm and the rest test objects such as the popsicle stick, the balloon, the leather string, the plastic ruler and the ceramic spoon, there are no changes after 2 minutes. Thank you.
Hello and welcome back to Teroka Didik TV KPM. Still with me, Kak Pika, and also our two lovely teachers today, Miss Devi and also Miss Rekkha. Just now, as a recap, we've learned about materials that can and can't absorb water. Those that allow sunlight, allow all light, or don't allow light at all to pass through, and also those that can and cannot conduct electricity. And just now, teachers, we were served with a video from who was it just now?
It's Roshni. It's Rogita's twin sister.
Wow, no wonder she looks so proud just now. Okay,
Yes.
what was that about?
Okay,
Teacher Devi will explain
let me
about it.
explain that. Just now, Roshini talking about the heat, right? The object can absorb heat. That means heat conductor, we say that. Okay, properties of material that can conduct heat. She used a ceramic spoon. She used plastic ruler, leather string, aluminium foil, balloon, and popsicle sticks. Okay, from there we found out, and she found out that the girls, okay, that the observation of the condition of the object after seeing being soaked, there's no change to the ceramic spoon, plastic ruler, leather string, balloon, and popsicle sticks. Because why? Because they are heat conductors. Okay, when you touch, you don't feel. I mean, when you touch, you can feel the heat.
Can feel the heat.
Yes. I think
you
no
can't
heat
feel the
conductor.
heat.
This one no.
Oh, sorry.
It's wrong. Sorry.
It's
it's a heat insulator.
Heat insulator.
Yes. Okay, and this one, the other side, aluminium foil is I can say heat conductor.
Oh.
That's why she can feel the heat when you touch that thing.
That means sometimes when we want to, like I was feeling the cup just now, it was warm. So in order to make sure it wasn't warm to my touch, I should wrap it around something that is a heat insulator.
Yes.
Okay.
Then it can last long. I mean, the heat is still there, you know.
Oh, it's still inside.
It's just tight inside there.
No
okay, you
wonder.
can't come out from
It
there.
doesn't escape.
It doesn't.
Okay, wow. Okay,
That's why.
interesting.
Yes. So maybe after this we go to the next activity. These are the explanation we have done. So remember, when you feel hot, okay, that's a heat conductor.
Okay.
Okay, when you don't feel the heat there, I mean when you touch very easily, even though got hot water inside, we call it as a heat insulator. The objects.
Okay. All
Yes.
right. That's very interesting. So that was the last part of our experiment today, right?
We have
but we have
One more. Okay. What is that?
Okay, Shafika, I have given you a spring. Okay, and I have a spring as well, and Teacher Devi has a cloth.
Oh.
Okay, so
And
now
the kids at
Yes.
home also, they have their
own objects
Yes.
with them.
Okay,
So
are you ready?
when in my count 1, 2, 3, we have to stretch this object.
Okay, as much as we can.
Yes, can.
Okay, kids, let's do this.
Okay, 1. Are you all ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Mine and Shafika's can be stretched.
Mine is the longest, I think. Is anyone longer than mine?
Why mine cannot?
Cannot at all.
Okay, so any one of you all there who has objects that can be stretched like mine and Kak Shafika's?
Show it to the camera, please.
Anybody?
Zakwan,
Yes.
Ariana, Mizal.
Okay.
Zakwan as well.
Okay, Mifdal, can you show us what you have there?
Yes, teacher. A rubber band.
Oh, he has a rubber band. Okay, Zakwan, what do you have, Zakwan?
I have a rubber glove.
Rubber
glove.
gloves. Okay, thank you. Ariana, what about you?
I have a balloon.
Okay, Ariana, can you tell us why you can stretch the balloon and why Zakwan can stretch the rubber gloves and also Mifdal can stretch the rubber band? Can you give us a reason?
Yes, Ariana.
Yes, teacher. It is because the objects are elastic.
Yes, very good.
And what happened
I
to
can't
Miss
take
Devi?
it. Why mine cannot stretch? Okay, how about there, our friends outside there who got the same problem with me? We cannot stretch.
Yes.
Can you raise your hand? Okay, I can see Rogita, Cass, and Sai. Okay, what are the objects you are using, Cass? What are you using?
I'm using a pencil, teacher.
Oh, you have the same problem, right? Cannot stretch, is it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, how about Rogita? What are you using, Rogita?
Yes, teacher. I'm using a spoon.
Yeah, we have the same problem. Not fair, they can stretch, we cannot stretch, right? Okay, how about Sai? What are you using, Sai?
I'm using a plastic straw.
So you can stretch or not, Sai? Same problem, is it? You can't.
Yes.
Okay,
So what
can
does
you
that
tell
mean?
us? Yeah, can you give me a reason, Sai, why you cannot stretch? Stretch the.
This is because this material aren't elastic.
Non-elastic. That's Teacher Rekkha purposely gave me this. I cannot stretch. Non-elastic one. Okay.
So that means for our last lesson, we learned about non-elastic and elastic materials.
Yes.
All right. Thank you for that, Miss Devi and also Miss Rekkha. As a wrap-up, can you give a short and sweet maybe conclusion to our lesson today?
Okay, I think the pupils have prepared a model using the knowledge that they have learned about the properties of materials. Maybe they can just show on the screen what they have there.
Can we see them? Wow, they made this on their own.
Yes, their own.
Yes,
Yeah, very
their
interesting.
own.
They have made that.
Oh goodness,
Okay.
that's a ship, I think.
Yeah, with the light. Ariana is having a boat with a light.
She has a light that they can conduct electricity.
Okay.
Mirza with the straw that waterproof.
So these are all
Zafwan.
recycled materials.
Yes, recycled material.
That's great.
Cassandra with the polystyrene.
Yes, it's so interesting. Kids, you've done a lovely job there. Good job. Have a pat on your back. All right, teachers. Perhaps today we've learned a lot and I've had so much fun learning with you guys. And I hope the pupils at home and also online have had all the lessons today and perhaps practice rehearsing them at home and knowing the materials you have at home to practice that. I believe we have a special performance to end this show.
Yes, exactly.
We'll be singing a song based on the basic sources of materials.
Oh, we will.
Yes.
Okay.
And we want to introduce one thing for the sources of material.
Okay.
We have there's rocks, rocks, animals, plants, and we have a petroleum. So we make it into a simple word. We said it as RAP. So RAPP.
Yes.
So RAP. So easy for them to remember what are the sources of material. They know R for the rocks, A for the animals, P for the petroleum or plants, and another P is petroleum.
Petroleum.
So that
right. Thank you so much, Miss Devi and Miss Rekkha, for
You're
today's
welcome.
lesson. And I hope we can wrap up with this show with the rap song.
Yes.
To the tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So kids online, let's joke together, join singing with us, okay? All right. Leather, wool and silk, they are from the animals. Plastic, plastic, synthetic, they are from the petroleum. Rubber, rubber, cotton and wool, we get all these from the plants. Copper, copper, clay and gold, they are made from stones and rocks. Leather, leather, wool and silk, they are from the animals. Plastic, plastic, synthetic, they are from the petroleum. Rubber, rubber, cotton and wool, we get all this from the plants. Copper, copper, clay and gold, they are made from stones and rocks. Rocks, animals, plants, petroleum. The dog is
Didik TV KPM